Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss about muscles of back of thigh. Muscles of back of thigh are also called hamstring muscles. There are four muscles present in this region. These muscles are biceps femoris, semitendinosus, semimembranosus and adductor magnus. Here in this video you can see muscles of back of thigh. Here you can see this is long head of biceps femoris muscles. It takes origin from inferior medial impression of upper part of ischial tuberosity. Here muscle runs downward and laterally and it crosses sciatic nerve medial to lateral and inferiorly it inserted at the head of fibula. Here you can see this is short head of biceps femoris. It takes origin from lower part of lateral lip of linea aspera and upper 2/3 part of lateral supracondylar line. Another muscle is semitendinosus muscles. It also takes origin from inferior medial impression of upper part of ischial tuberosity. Muscle runs downward and medially. Here you can see it inserted at upper part of medial surface of shaft of tibia. Third muscle is semimembranosus muscle. It takes origin from superior lateral impression of upper part of ischial tuberosity. This muscle runs downward and medially. Here you can see, and it inserted at the posterior surface of medial condyle of tibia. Here you can see the tendon of semimembranosus muscle, and it has an extension. This extension is called oblique popliteal ligament. It runs upward and here it blends with capsule of knee joint. Another extension of tendon of semimembranosus muscle. This extension is called fascia of popliteal muscles. Here you can see this is fascia popliteal muscle. Now next muscle is adductor magnus muscle. It takes origin from inferior lateral impression of lower part of ischial tuberosity and it also takes origin from ischiopubic rami. Now insertion of adductor magnus muscle. It inserted at the medial margin of gluteal tuberosity, linea aspera, medial supracondylar line and adductor tubercle. Inferiorly tendon of adductor magnus has got a tendinous opening. This tendinous opening is called adductor hiatus. Here you can see two structures. This is popliteal artery and this is popliteal vein. Here popliteal artery is continuation of femoral artery. Femoral artery passes this opening and continues as popliteal artery. Here popliteal vein enters through this opening and continues as femoral vein. Now nerve supply of muscles of back of thigh. This is sciatic nerve. It runs downward and it crosses gluteal region, enters in back of thigh. Here you can see, and it gives nerve supply to biceps femoris muscle. This is long head of biceps femoris muscle, semitendinosus muscles and semimembranosus muscles. Here sciatic nerve gives nerve supply to short head of biceps femoris muscles and it also gives nerve supply to adductor magnus muscles. Adductor magnus muscle is hybrid muscle. It has got dual nerve supply and it's also supplied by obturator nerve. Now action of muscles. This is flexion at knee joint. Flexion at knee joint. Here you can see the contraction of muscles and this extension at hip joint. Thank you very much for watching this video.